The nation's education system over the years has been engulfed with crises, ranging from access to quality learning, out-of-school children challenges, just to mention a few. Indications suggest that this trend may be connected to reasons why millions of children in the country are not developing basic skills required to break out of poverty. As part of efforts to change the narrative, the federal government, with some of its key partners including the United Nations Children Education Fund, UNICEF, have developed an initiative known as the Nigerians Learning Passport with targets to provide continuous education to 3 million learners in 2022. At a ceremony to launch the online initiative in Abuja, Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, represented by the Minister of State for Education, Chukwuemeka Nwajiuba, said though there has been significant improvement in the sector, access to learning remains a big challenge. He, however, suggested needs to reimagine the sector.
To ensure continuity of learning for all children and the resilience of education systems to future shocks, we must change and reimagine the education sector, deploying innovations that rethink the current methodologies, including new approaches to delivering education in ways that defy digital divide, and ensuring learning continuity in emergencies has become imperative.
Earlier in his remarks, Education Minister Malam Adamu, represented by the Acting Permanent Secretary of the Ministry, David Gende, lauded the initiative, describing it as an effective platform for learning in the country.
Digital learning is also as effective as the content to which it enhances the human interaction necessary for learning to take place. While we invest in hardware and software development, ensure that teachers have the capacity and capability to engage in digital learning is equally a priority.
Meanwhile, UNICEF representative to Nigeria, Peter Hawkins, in his presentation highlighted the expected gains of the learning platform to the nation's basic school subsector.
To continue to have face-to-face education, but can enhance that experience in their own time, in their own place. For out-of-school children, it allows them to access and navigate through a multiple of 14,000 papers and ideas that will allow them to resume their learning or indeed start their learning if that is the case. Influencing digital connectivity, skills and development, Nigeria can fully unleash its full economic and talented opportunity to create jobs and transform people's lives, with young people leading the way.
The Nigeria Learning Passport is expected to provide continuous education to about 12 million learners by 2025. CNN News.